Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers. You're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. India is a country full of paradoxes. It's home to both immense poverty and unimaginable wealth, deep spirituality and rampant materialism, ancient traditions and modern innovation. But beyond these well-known paradoxes, there are many lesser-known facts that will blow your mind. Today, we gonna take you on a journey to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about India that you never knew you needed, so get ready to be amazed. Number 1. The world's first university was established in India. Nalanda University, located in the state of Bihar, was founded in the 5th century CE and is considered to be the world's first university. It was a center of Buddhist learning and attracted students from all over the world. The university had a library containing over 20,000 manuscripts, and its faculty included some of the brightest minds of the time. The curriculum covered a wide range of subjects, including philosophy, mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. However, it's not just the age of Nalanda University that's impressive. It's also the fact that it remained a center of learning for over 800 years. The university was eventually destroyed by Muslim invaders in the 12th century, but its legacy lived on and inspired the establishment of many other institutions of higher learning in India and abroad. Number 2. The world's highest density of atimas is found in India. Yes, you heard that right. India has more atimas per capita than any other country in the world. There are over 2.6 million ATMs in India, which means that there is one ATM for every 16,000 people. This is more than double the global average. Now you might be wondering why India has so many ATMs. Well, there are several factors at play. One is the rise of digital payments in recent years. Another is the government's efforts to promote financial inclusion. Additionally, India has a large and growing middle class that has the money and the need for easy access to cash. All of these factors have contributed to the proliferation of ATMs across the country. And while this may be convenient for some, it's also raised concerns about privacy and security. After all, when everyone has easy access to their money, it also makes them vulnerable to theft or fraud. Nonetheless, the trend of ATM proliferation shows no signs of slowing down. And it will be interesting to see how India manages the challenges that come with such a high density of ATMs. Number 3. India is home to the world's largest postal network. With over 150,000 post offices, India's postal system is the largest in the world. This extensive network ensures that mail and parcels can be delivered to even the most remote areas of the country. The Indian Postal Service is a vital lifeline for many businesses and individuals who rely on it to send important documents, products, and gifts. In fact, the Indian Postal Service delivers more than 10 billion letters and 700 million parcels every year. This massive network is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the postal employees who ensure that the mail keeps flowing no matter what. Whether you're sending a letter to your loved ones or a package across the country, you can rest assured that the Indian Postal Service will get it there. Number 4. More than 50% of India's population lives in rural areas. This is despite the fact that India is often seen as a country with a large population of young, educated urban dwellers. However, the reality is that the majority of Indians still live in rural areas and work in agriculture. This has led to a number of social and economic challenges, including widespread poverty and limited access to education and healthcare. Despite these challenges, rural India is home to a rich culture and a strong sense of community. Many tourists who visit rural areas report being impressed by the warmth and hospitality of the local people. India's rural population plays a vital role in the country's economy, producing the food and raw materials that drive many industries. As India continues to grow and develop, it will be important to invest in rural areas and improve the lives of the people who live there. Number 5. India has more than 20 official languages. Although Hindi and English are the most widely spoken, there are a multitude of other languages spoken throughout the country. In fact, India has 22 scheduled languages and hundreds of others that are not officially recognized. This linguistic diversity is the result of India's long history and its many different cultures and regions. Each language reflects the unique history and traditions of the people who speak it. While the linguistic diversity of India is often celebrated, it can also pose some challenges. Communication can be difficult in a country where so many different languages are spoken. Additionally, the recognition of certain languages over others can lead to tension and conflict. Despite these challenges, the linguistic diversity of India is a testament to the richness and complexity of the country and its people. Number 6. The literacy rate in India is around 75%. This is relatively high compared to other developing countries, but it's still below the global average of 86.4%. Despite these numbers, India has made significant progress in improving its literacy rate in recent years. In 1951, the literacy rate in India was just 12%. Since then, the government has invested heavily in education and launched numerous programs to promote literacy, particularly among women. These efforts have paid off. Today, India has a much higher literacy rate than many developed countries, and the gap between male and female literacy is narrowing. Still, there's work to be done. Millions of Indians are still illiterate, and the quality of education varies widely across the country. Nevertheless, India's commitment to education is commendable, and its progress in improving literacy rates is an inspiration to other developing countries. Number 7. India is home to the world's tallest freestanding statue. The Statue of Unity, which depicts Indian statesman Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, stands at a staggering 182 meters tall. This is not only taller than the previous record holder, China's Spring Temple Buddha, but it also surpasses the height of the Eiffel Tower. The statue is located in the state of Gujarat and took 5 years to complete. It's made of bronze and steel and is supported by a concrete and steel frame. The construction of the statue was a massive undertaking that required the work of thousands of engineers, artists, and laborers. The result is a truly awe-inspiring structure that's become a major tourist attraction in India. Visitors from all over the world come to marvel at the Statue of Unity and learn about the life and legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 8. India is the second most populated country in the world. With over 1.4 billion people, it's home to a diverse range of cultures, religions, and languages. India's population is expected to reach 1.5 billion by 2030, making it the most populated country in the world. Despite its large population, India has made significant strides in areas such as poverty reduction and education. However, challenges remain in providing adequate housing, healthcare, and job opportunities for its citizens. The Indian government is working to address these issues through various programs and initiatives aimed at improving the quality of life for all Indians. Number 9. India is the 7th largest country in the world by area. It covers a diverse range of geographical regions, including the Himalayas in the north, the Ganges River in the plains in the east and west, and the Thar Desert in the northwest. India's natural beauty is enhanced by its rich biodiversity, which includes a wide variety of plant and animal species. The country is also home to several famous landmarks, such as the Taj Mahal, the Pink Palace, and the Red Fort. Furthermore, India is a land of festivals and religious diversity, making it a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Number 10. India is a major player in the global economy. With a GDP of over $3.2 trillion, it's the 5th largest economy in the world. India's economy is driven by a variety of sectors, including agriculture, industry, and services. The country is also home to a growing number of startups and tech companies. In recent years, India has been making efforts to attract foreign investment and improve its ranking in ease of doing business. These efforts have been paying off as India has become a more attractive destination for businesses. Additionally, the Indian government is focused on promoting innovation and entrepreneurship to further boost the economy. Overall, India's strong economic performance and potential for growth make it an important player on the global stage. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about India that you probably didn't know. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And if you have any thoughts or opinions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.